Hi, it's me, Ellen. I want to show you how you can set up and customize the Moka theme. So you have a number of options. You can change your theme colors, use the theme options like fixing the sidebar here in your navigation sidebar. You can, of course, set up the front page you see here, or if you don't want to use the default blog page on your front, and you have these really nice options like an about widget here, or your post by category, or a big quote option, widget option you have, and tags you can include here, and of course you can set up the widgets in the footer too. So there are a lot of options for the Moka theme, and I want to start showing you the color options. You can change all the theme colors directly in the customize option here in WordPress under appearance customize. And this is really nice because you get these preview image, and next to the default options you have in the customizer, like site title, and you can pick your custom navigation if you have set up one already. You get the color options here, so you can change your background color, the site title font color, the site title background color, your link color, link hover color, and the big font color for the about widget and the big quote widget. And you can just click in this color picker here and change your color, and it's really nice because you get an instant preview of your changes, and you can just save and publish your changes, or go back to default. So you can just very easily make your changes and see if you like them already in the preview window, and if you do so, you just save your color changes here. Next, I want to show you the theme options page. So for further theme options, you have the theme options page under appearance theme options. And here you get some further options, like you can upload your own logo image as instructed here. The maximum width of the logo that will appear here in the left sidebar, at the top of the left sidebar, is 200 pixels. And you can also optimize the image for retina displays just by uploading the image you need in the double size, and then still use the actual size in the theme here in your width and height values. Next, you get the options to position your sidebar fixed, so like in the live demo, that it's always visible. And this option applies only to big screens. And you can choose to automatically show your post excerpts on your blog site. So if you don't want to use the more tag, you can create automatic post excerpts if you click this option. And of course you can customize your footer credit text at the bottom of the footer, this copyright info and link info here. Then you can choose to include the share buttons to show your share your posts on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, and Pinterest, just by checking this box here. If you only want to use share buttons for a single post, you can choose this option. And if you want to customize the theme a little bit further, but don't want to create a child theme, if it's only for a few CSS changes, you can include a custom CSS here. You can save your changes, and they apply to the live demo. So now you see I changed the share buttons for single posts only. and I see my share buttons only on the single posts, and all the other options here too. So these are the additional theme options in the Moka theme for further customizations. And next I want to show you how you can customize your main menu you have in your left sidebar. So to customize your main menu here in the left sidebar, you can go to Appearance Menus, and you can set up your own new menu and give it a name like main menu or whatever name you like. And as you can see here, you can just choose the pages, create custom links, choose categories or post formats as your menu points here, and you can drag and drop around the order of your menus and create submenu points here too by just dragging and dropping the areas around. And then you just save your new menu, and in the menu settings you need to set it as your primary navigation. If you save your menu, then your custom menu will automatically show up here as your main navigation. And you could also create a further menu for your footer menu widgets right at the bottom here, so you can include further links like to your contact pages or additional information links here and include it in your footer by using the widgets. Just gonna show you this really quickly. Here in the widget areas you find the custom menu widget, and you can also include it here in your footer widget area and choose one of your menus and save this as an additional menu in the footer widget area. As you already see here in your widget area, the front page widget area I use also in the live demo has a lot of custom widgets you can use in the Moka theme. So next I want to show you how you can set up your front page in the Moka theme. If you don't want to use your blog page as the default front page, you can set up your own custom front page. So first you just create a new page and call it, for instance, a front page or home page. And this is going to be an empty page, and you have to deactivate the discussion setting here in the discussion options. And in your page attributes, you choose the front page template here and create or update your new page. And then in the settings options, you can, in the setting options under reading, you can choose to display a static front page instead of your default blog page. So you choose your new home page as the front page and choose another new page you created as your blog page. This can just be the default page template, and you save your settings here. And then you have set up your custom front page, and it will automatically show a sticky post if you have set a sticky post, your first sticky post here in this big featured image, and your recent posts here in below the three first recent posts. Just real quick, if you don't know how to set a sticky post, you can just go to your post settings and use the quick edit button and choose this option here, make this post sticky, and update your post, and or you already have a sticky post as it's also set here in your post options. Going back to the widget areas, so as you can see, Next to the recent posts on your front page, you can create this really cool widgets, like a big about widget with an image and some about text and some links to your social profiles. Then you have the widget for your recent post filtered by categories, and this looks really nice if you use thumbnails in your post. They're gonna show up like this here. And next you have the quote option, the quote widget option for a big slogan or quote in your front page. And you can also use the tag cloud widget to filter your to give an option to filter your posts by categories or by tags. So with all these options and widget options, you can create a really individual and fun front page for your website. As you can see here, I already included the custom Moka widgets, like the About widget. For this you have to create your About picture, and it should be 515 or 517 pixels in width, and has a flexible height. You can include an about text and also some additional infos, maybe with your social profile links here in the about widget. And as you seen already, the recent post by categories is also a nice option to give your readers some additional posts to read on your front page, and you can choose to either include 4, 8 or 12 recent posts of one category, and you can set the category ID here. To find out the category ID of your categories, you go to Posts, Categories, and here you can see all your categories, and if you click on one category, you can see the ID here in the URL. So the ID of this category is 6, and so you need to include the number 6 here in your widget area. You can include as many recent posts by category widgets as you like, and again show 4, 8 or 12 recent posts of one category. Then the quote widget is a really nice and simple option for a big slogan or quote on your front page. And you can choose to show the quote author, or you can also just leave this field blank if you rather want a slogan and not a quote. You could also link to the quote author by including an H tag here, a link tag, and include your link here, your URL. And close the link tag and save your option if, like this. If you want to link to the quote author. And the last option I already showed you in the live demo as well is the big tag cloud option you have here, where you can again choose to filter by categories or by tags, and this is a nice option in your footer area to give your website another option to filter by your post. So as you can see, the front page has really a lot of options, and of course you can drag and drop around these widgets if you want to change the order. And this is a really great feature, I think, for the Moka theme to get a custom and individual front page on your website. So I really hope you like the Moka theme and have fun customizing the theme and using the options to make the theme your own style. And thanks for watching this little video tutorial. In case you have further questions or problems with the theme, please visit our theme forum or ask your questions directly here in the comments area on the theme page. And thanks for watching. Bye!